Hi guys, welcome in this new video. I'm Mark and today I will show you how to create destructible objects in Unreal Engine 5, okay? This is a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. Okay, so now we are in the viewport and we must create our object. So I choose for this tutorial a simple object like a cube. Okay, so we have this middle object, but of course you can choose whatever you want. And now we want to set up a plugin. Plugin is Destruction Tools, Chaos Editor, and also Chaos Solver, Chaos Niagara. These three. Okay. Now we have this object. In the selection mode, click here and choose a fracture mode or Shift 6. Now we have this menu. And for now I want to click on new and I want to create a geometry collection. Okay, I call it like this, geometry collection underscore cube create, and now we have this geometry collection. So now we want to set up our fracture mode. In reality there are so many type of fracture. There are uniform, class, radial, and so on that have different effect on on our cube. And for today, I will choose uniform because it's the most simple, and the shape and the dimension of this fragment, of each fragment, is the same. Okay, so now we can set up these Voronoi size that basically our number of fragments. I choose 100. Okay, and already for the max. Yes, the explode amount is basically show us in the viewport what happened. If you want to randomize a little bit this effect, you can change this seed. And also, if you want to change the scale of the fragment, this amplitude is the fact that you want to set up. And basically, if you want to maybe have a fragment outside the box or inside the box, maybe is an interesting effect. Okay, and so many options. In reality, there are so many options. Okay, so now when you have finished, click on fracture. Okay, and that's it. Here we have these fragments. Okay, and so click on selection, and in this panel I must choose, okay, in the physics, click on simulate physics, is very important, and in reality that's it. Okay, so now click start, press play, and basically you can note that nothing happened. Why this? Because in reality the damage for the destruction is too high, so I choose really 1. Okay, for all the index, all the level. Okay, and click play, and now we can see all the fragments. Okay, for a interesting effect, I rotate it a little bit, and so let's play. Okay, as you see, it is a very easy tutorial, and this effect in reality you can adjust and implement in every mesh you want in Unreal Engine 5 with this chaos system. And of course you can randomize it a little bit, change the dimension of this fragment, or so many options. Okay guys, so thanks for watching and bye bye, see you next time.